Hey Justin, I'm making a video because I think I figured it out finally. When you create a sketch and usually you got to click top and then click here for this to come up. And remember I told you to right click up here and reset all toolbar customization. That should get your circle back. But anyways, okay. I think this is how you can put an SVG so that it won't, so that the whole thing doesn't highlight. We want it to highlight separate. Don't finish sketch right here when you put this circle in here. You can, but you got to do something different. But don't click this and watch. Insert SVG and we're just going to do this one, make it easy. Just nothing perfect, just to show that it's going to highlight separate. Oh, and you know what I found out? If you mess up, okay, we click OK. You mess up and you can't move this, it said to highlight it like this and click this right here, fix, unfix. And now you should be able to move it. Got to click select, I think. Well, it's not moving, but that's okay. The point of this is, look, you highlight this and this, hit E for extrude, and just type 4. And new body's fine. And then got to bring this, see how it won't highlight? It's because the sketch ain't on over here. Turn the sketch on, highlight, E for extrude, 4, and just another body. There's going to be 2 bodies on the one because I'll show you right here. 1 and 2. It's because of the eye. That's not too bad. Hit A for appearance. To have 2 bodies, we could have saved that as a new component and it would have just been 1. But just put black on body 1 and see, now the eye's not black. Body 2 is the eye. And I missed it. There we go. And then we'll just put the body 3, which is Pac-Man. Oh, I dropped it on 3. I dropped it on 3 on accident. Oh, up here's the colors will stay. There we go. And here's what's cool about this. Look, it's on both sides. That's why I didn't go -2 and then back forward 2. Just do 4 on both colors. Now, if you have more than one body, usually there was only 2 bodies, so I went ahead and did bodies. But if you do new component, it'll only make 1. So I'm still in debate on when to use new component and body. But for sure, when there's a lot of letters, because if you do body, you're going to have 15 bodies down through here. You're going to have to save as mesh just to get the letters and stuff. But I wanted to show you how to make one where the color, like that fox, that'd be beautiful. Go all the way through. Then you just got to sketch you out a hole here for the keychain or one on top, and then use the fillet on the side if you do the top. If you make one, just let me know. We'll do that fox and make it go all the way through. It'd be a pretty thing to put out. And you could even go to modify and, or is it create? I'm looking for text. Text is here somewhere. Anyways, text is here somewhere, and if I wanted to add text of some sort, but that's no big deal. But back to, I'm just going to edit sketch right here. Getting your circle back right here like this, just right click right there and then reset all toolbar customization. That should bring your circle back in there. And oh, see, that wouldn't move because it was tangent. So you delete, and now the look. Oh wow, that's cool. That's cool. That could possibly make a, yeah, this is only going to get bigger and a little, or that's kind of cool. You can make something really outlandish. Keep moving it till people be like, how'd you do that? You know, or something. I don't know. Oh, look at that. That looks cool. I'm just having fun. That's something I didn't know would work. But it won't let you resize it. You know, like if you wanted to make it bigger in the hole. But you can just click this back button. I don't know how far it'll go back, but there, it went all the way back. I was just wanting to move this over a little bit, but oh, this will still move though. Oh no, it won't. It'll only size. Actually, it has a no, that's just the body that'll move. See what happens now that we change the size. Oh, finish sketch. That'll take it back to the, there we go. Both sides, buddy. I'm going to stop this. I might upload this to YouTube, but let you see it. It's getting easier and easier. I've been practicing because one time everything would highlight and the next time it wouldn't. And so I just kept doing it until I figured out what the difference was, what I was doing different. So I'll talk to you later, buddy. I'm going to upload this real quick.